tell us, beyond anarchy and destruction and violence and mayhem, what are their alternative plans for Kenya? I challenge them, the shadowy people, the faceless people. I challenge them to step forward and tell us if they have any alternative ideas for taking Kenya forward. We are a democracy. We are very proud of our democracy, and we cannot surrender our democracy to faceless, formless, anonymous anarchists who want to use violence, loss of life, destruction of property to destroy our country. I also want to request the media to report responsibly. Reporting, celebrating, encouraging violence, destruction of property, anarchy, mayhem is irresponsible. And if the country goes the wrong direction, there will be nothing to report, and there will be nowhere to report from. So we must all act responsibly. So mimi nataka niseme asanteni sana kwa kutupokea hapa Bomet.